We offer a wide scope of printing services for local organizations, shops, universities, colleges, and schools. Our most popular items are flyers, booklets, posters, banners, business cards, portfolios, and documents printing. We are well prepared for bulk printing for enterprise-level business. We accept any order amount so you can save your time and money. Moreover, if you are looking for professional binding services, then you can also count on us. We provide wire binding, plastic comb binding, saddle stitching, screw binding, and glue binding. Our price is affordable and discounted for students. In London, our printing company is very well known for paper-based printing items and bindings. However, if you are searching for a t-shirt printing service, then we do print on garments too. We offer vinyl t-shirt printing and multicolor t-shirt printing based on transfer paper. If you need an urgent printing service at the last minute, then we can print and deliver the products within a few hours.